Okay, another quickie. Hi, how you doing? Another quickie cooking with Judd. We're just doing quickies from now on because this worked out good. I got a bag of lettuce, 2 different types of lettuce, and I got some Gorton's grilled salmon. I used to eat talipa all the time, but then I found out what that stuff was. So I got the grilled salmon and decided I'd throw that in. I cooked it up for 8 minutes at 50% power in the microwave with a vented container, and then cooked it for another 30 seconds. Then I threw it in on top of the salad and chopped it all up. And then I tasted it, and then I tasted a little bit of this stuff. My Heinz 57, which I just recently discovered tastes like the shrimp cocktail dipping sauce. And it worked great, so I just threw a bunch of that on there. So there's another idea for you, a quick and easy meal. Takes, well, it took 8 minutes to cook the thingies, but I mean, I didn't really cook. I just pushed a button and it happens, you know, with the microwave. Okay, happy day to you. Bye-bye.